Yes.
or higher. So
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
and we can leave that to you to
It's
interpret.
it's the phase conjugation
Phase.
longitudinal wave. Yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Yep. And
So,
that is shown in the bottom card there. But as it shows here, you have symmetry, you have balance, you have perfection. And that's what we're aiming for. And that's with the destruction of the cabal. You will then have this. The abundance will come in. The unity will come in. The cosmic consciousness, as you see here, like these two heads floating in space, right? Behind the stars, if you notice in this card.
yes.
So basically,
And I love
yeah.
the rainbow. I
Yep.
love the rainbow. Yeah.
And that's going between the two cups, which is again that sensation of sharing, of wealth, of balance. Everything is in this card is balanced except the fish, which is going to start waving up through here.
Right.
So again, you have the image of the water. So the water signs, the water in tarot is emotions.